If a stallion can control access to water, he will have secured mating rights to the entire herd. A stranger. He's travelled 10 miles to be here because the pools where he's come from have already dried up. With him come his females. If he can't provide them with water, they will leave him for the white stallion, who already dominates this pool. So he will have to fight. There is everything to lose. A broken leg or a shattered jaw would mean a slow and painful death. He has provided for his herd and in the process stolen his rival's females. The white stallion's rule is over.